This is Julia. How many kids do you have, Julia? Okay. Good thing you're driving a Combo Life. Designed to meet all your family's needs, the versatile Combo Life is available in 2 lengths, regular or XL, for even greater space and flexibility. Enjoy enormous boot space and take advantage of flexible, foldable seating in the rear to stow long items like bikes or crocodiles. For bigger families, specify the combo with up to 7 seats or use 3 child seats in the second row to safely move the kids. Handy sliding doors don't just make getting in and out of tight spots easy, they also add a dash of style. Take practicality to the next level with up to 28 storage compartments in the cabin and a rear tailgate with opening window. Fill the cabin with light via the panoramic roof and keep all your family's stuff within easy reach with additional overhead storage. The facts speak for the Combo Life.